For those experiencing hair loss, the impact goes beyond the mirror. It affects confidence, self-image, and emotional well-being, often creating a ripple effect on personal and even professional lives. The struggle to find an effective solution can feel overwhelming, with generic treatments offering very little hope. But one tailored treatment is redefining hair restoration.
All of our medications are prescription grade, and our philosophy is to combine multiple different ingredients into one, and that's how it really differs from over-the-counter, because usually over-the-counter is non-prescription and it's just one ingredient. Ours is multiple all-in-one, and you need a board-certified dermatologist to actually evaluate you, and based upon your medical history and the type of hair loss and the degree of hair loss, we customize and tailor a specific product just for you. The way that most telehealth companies do it is that they use like a non-dermatologist or like a nurse or NP. But we truly believe that to get the best benefit from our topical prescription product, you need a board-certified dermatologist to evaluate you. Dermatologists have gone through extensive training exclusively in hair, and these dermatologists know hair in and out. So we have the best experts evaluating your hair and giving you the best product, and that's how you're gonna come out with the best outcome.
Hair loss affects more than appearance. It impacts confidence and self-image. At Happy Head, board-certified dermatologists create customized prescription-strength treatments delivered to your door, evolving with your needs.
Happy Head goal is to grow the hair out in usually about 4 to 6 months using prescription-grade ingredients. And our philosophy is that to combine multiple different ingredients tailored just for you, not one size fit all, and that's what really gives patients the best opportunity to get their hair back. Also, we truly believe that doing topical and oral medication at the same time is way better than just doing one of those products. The product you get is tailored upon the degree of hair loss, your family history, and based on that, we make a customized, tailored product just for you.
Taking control of hair loss is possible with expert guidance and easy access to treatment. Confidence and regrowth are within reach, because everyone deserves to feel their best.
To share more about Happy Head is co-founder Behnam. Now, you created this with your brother, and it's one of the first in the U.S. of its kind. Tell me about it.
Yes, hi. Welcome. Thank you for having me.
Pleasure to meet you, Dr. Behnam.
So we were the first nationwide distributor of topical finasteride in the U.S. market back in 2019, 2020. And the reason was, when patients were taking oral finasteride, they were having a lot of side effects. So we came up with this idea of having topical finasteride mixed with other stuff to really maximize the effect and minimize some of those systemic side effects.
What makes this, other than that, is there other unique qualities to what you're doing?
Now we have what we call the 10-in-1 Pro Blend, which basically we took many different active ingredients like finasteride, dutasteride, minoxidil. We put them all together. They're all clinically backed. So it's really, we're the first one to give patients the best hair growth solution out there while minimizing the side effects.
So as a physician, I've heard of all those different hair loss sort of interventions. Right. I don't know how to put them all together and how to combine them and stuff. I would need you to do that.
Right, exactly, and that's what we do.
Yeah.
We have basically the capability, the doctors, the pharmacists, and we all basically come together to personalize the drug just for you. And with our 10-to-1, the Pro Blend, it really combines the best of both worlds.
And so people come to your office, they come to your website. How do people access?
The way it works is that we're telehealth. So you just go online, answer a few questions for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then a dermatologist actually reviews your information, customizes and personalizes the formula just for you based upon your past medical history, stage of hair loss, and then we ship it out directly from the pharmacy to your door.
So this is what I want to get into a little bit, because people don't understand there are lots of different causes of hair loss, and you have to get the right treatment for the right diagnosis.
Exactly. We really need that medical history, and we have board-certified dermatologists, not just nurses, but dermatologists who went to school, who are trained for basically about hair, that review your history and personalize a customized solution just for you.
And I'm imagining if I'm listening and I've been struggling with this, I want to know, well, how successful are you? How likely is this going to work for me?
Well, look, every person is different and is going to respond differently to every medication. But this is why our approach is that we're going to try to combine multiple different active ingredients all in one bottle, so we address every different cause of hair loss, from DHT, inflammation, lack of blood flow. And so this is why our 10-in-1 solution is really the best for majority of patients, and we'll customize it as we need to.
And so if somebody has lost Their hair, they let it go too far. What are they facing?
So obviously the topical is too late for them, they need transplant, but we do have post-hair transplant topicals, basically that will help preserve that hair they just had transplanted. The topical solution, the 10-in-1 Pro Blend, and the oral super capsule, which is a combination of like finasteride, minoxidil, and retinoic acid, so they can either orally or topically to maintain that hair for a longer period of time.
Obviously, I feel very strongly about this, and I'm so excited about what you're doing here because
thank you so much.
I have so many patients that just either suffer about it or feel stigmatized by it or are afraid to ask for help about it. And then when they go to just a general dermatologist, sometimes they aren't trained in this, don't really get great results when they should, it seems to me.
Yeah, well, I think the beauty of telehealth these days is that, you really don't have to spend time traveling across country to see a specialist. Patients used to do that in 2019. They used to come from New York to see me. But with Happy Head, we have boards of dermatologists literally in front of your computer.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for the work you're doing. If you want to take control of your hairline, make sure to visit Happy Head, that's one word, very easy, happyhead.com/Dr. Drew, DRDREW. You've got more ahead.